Is this some kind of sixth sense shit?
birashoboka ra
What you're talking about?
ntago nzi ibyo muravuga sibyo
Hey, everybody, it's baseball.
yewe mwese murebe ibi bintu birashoboka
Want to grab a beer with an old buddy from high school?
bari nkumere ntabwo bika inshuti yawe kuva ku ishuri
David?
ndagivuga nyuma ye David aramuhamagaye
Yo, what's the rice cake?
Mary
Hi.
naba nkuzira bite
You were gonna leave without saying anything?
ye ugiye kujya nta kintu uvuze
Sorry, I didn't see you.
mbabare ntabwo nakubonye
Weren't you just up there staring at me for the past 45 minutes?
minota ingahe yonyine umaze angahe wise ugenda
Why didn't you say something, huh?
kuki ntakivuga
You're not drunk.
wasinze wowe ntabwo nasinze
Cool. I am totally
Bimeze neza.
110%.
meze neza ijana ku ijana
Yeah, that was really cool.
wumva ntabwo meze neza maka
Mention sleep it off.
kumbi ni maka
Why don't you? You'll make me a drink, sweet.
none niba ushaka ko nasinze inshuti sheri reka mwere ko nasinze ubona ku mukobwa David aracyanga kucyangana baratangira imiserero kuva kera ku ishuri barasereraga ngo ngwino baragigira David na Mark cyamaga kuva kera cyamurushaga imbaraga murekera ariko
Rice ball goes down.
bagura tunikunda kubi mufane yakiyora arabarura bingutsa handi David agira supide kubera kubura iyo umuntu terapotinga arihuta yamutaye kure yewe
What did you do to me?
umureba iki
Freak?
inyamaswa zikamu
Guess I don't know my own strength.
noneho ukomeze ko utasinze ikangamo arabura gisigaho amusize herero tugaruka ngaha Mary yewe baciye
You okay?
yewe meze neza ra
Yeah.
yameze neza
Where's Mark?
Mark ari he
He took off.
yagiye
What?
biki
Yeah, I don't think
nkeka ko
he's gonna come back anytime.
azanagaruka vuba
Bleeding.
urimo urava icyuya ufite icyuya you are sweating
You should take care of that.
ngwino hano ngufashe
Come on.
ngwino Yeah.
So you saw me as soon as I came in?
Maybe?
buri muntu wese ujya serivisi arayihabwa ashaka ahari
I didn't know what to say.
ntabwo nzi icyo navuga
About.
kuki
Hi. Hello. Been a long time.
ubw'igihe kirekire gishize se ni mu kabari abantu bavuga ibyabo baserebura
Hello. Been a long time.
cyari igihe kirekire sibyo
I'm good.
fata ayisi ashyira mu kantu
Why don't we skip this boring stuff?
mufasha mukorere umuti
You know, I didn't think I'd still be here.
Where else would I be?
uzi ko nanyanekeza kuba nkawe
I don't know, you were gonna go travel the world.
nakomeje gutembera nzenguruka isi
Things change.
ibintu byarahindutse rero
I'll need to grow up, right?
kubera ko twarakuze ubu
So what do you do?
none mbwira ukora iki
Banking. I'm in
banke nkora muri banke shyira mu banke kora muri banke none se uri kashiya cyangwa uri manager
sort of.
ni ibintu nk'ibyo nyine dukemura ibibazo byo muri banke
Algebra?
bwira ibihe bibazo se
No?
oya manager oya
Take me a break now. Yeah, sure.
niba mfasha ngafasha kugara umusura akomeze gukurikirana dore ka gasore kamonye bwa mbere mu kandi kabari kongeye kumusanga na hano
Now what's your plan?
none mbwira ubu uri gupanga iki rero nyuma yo kubona akazi muri
Do
banki
some traveling.
ni gupanga gukomeza nzenguruka isi
Was thinking of maybe checking out Rome actually.
hari wenda ubu ngubu umuntu yashaka icyumba mu by'ukuri cyiza
You're thinking of checking out Rome?
uravuga ngo mu by'ukuri gushaka icyumba cyiza iby'iki
That was my dream. Don't try to rip me off. Okay?
zari inzozi zanjye kujya hanze kuzenguruka uburayi ngajya kureba uko ahantu ba gladiateri barwaniraga Roma na he hose
So come with you?
ndashaka kujyaho vuba ngo nzaze tujyane se ko nkunda kujya i Roma
I mean, only if you want to skip the boring parts.
njye wabishakira waza tukajyana nta kibazo ko ngiye nkunda gutembera isi byatari ahubwo yabitekerejeho ngabo twabonye umusore bamukurikiranye bwa mbere aterapotinga umusore yahise ahindukira bisa nkaho yumvishe umuntu uterapotinze yamusanze na hano bari mu Bwongereza agasore nako kamusanze no muri Amerika yeah. bavuga ikirimi bageze mu Butaliyani tayari
I got it.
Ndacyitwaza iki ndacyitwaza zaragutwaza ndacyitwaza nta kibazo hari icyo yitwaje.
You believe just 10 hours ago we were in Ann Arbor?
Ntago nakwizera ko wakwizera ko rwose ahantu nahumvaga rwose nzi ngo nzaza.
This is CIA want with us.
I'm afraid that's classified.
Ni CIA ntago wasa kuza uvuga ngo umva ngene ibibazo byose n'ibyo mumaze kugeraho koko se
A federal warrant.
twe dukurikiza amabwiriza yacu.
Who you say you are?
Uravuga uwo uriwe sawa mukubita wundi we n'uyu. CIA ni ibiki kuri uyu mugabo uyu ni SNA uyu ni SNA sasa muri Amerika baho FBI CIA polisi CNA azhano ndakureba kasori.
So Mark,
bite Mark
tell me what happened.
mbwira ibyabaye.
Told them already.
Nabibabwiye ariko
You're just another suit. You're never gonna believe
nta
it.
rindi banga ntababwiye kuki mutanyizera.
Says here you were beamed into the vault.
Mbwira ku buryo wisanze muri vault.
You wanna laugh about it? Go ahead. Have a laugh.
Niba ushaka kunseka cyangwa kunkubita bikore.
You hear me laughing?
Urimo uranyumva neza.
The girl's name is Millie Harris. She boarded a
Yamaye izina ry'umukobwa bita Mary.
and she didn't go alone.
Ashobora kuba umukobwa atagenda wenyine ari kumwe n'umusore. Mukurikire. Hashize ingadura umusore. Isafata hoteli ihenze. Tangiye gukurikirana umukobwa rero. Kurikirana umukobwa. None ko kunywa uratekereza iki?
I think
Cyo ntekereza
something you're not telling me.
icyo utekereza nuko utakimbwira.
What do you mean?
Ushatse kuvuga iki?
This room,
Iki cyumba
first class.
ahantu hahenze gutya. Indege twagiyemo bya byumba by'aba VIP
It's because they are.
byose kubera wowe amafaranga ufitiye umwana gutyo nkawe.
Frankie,
Wiba ukora muri banki niko ugiye kumbwira.
see, I know.
Ndigo ndabibona ndabyumva.
Algebra.
Ntabwo bisanzwe. Amafaranga ni menshi cyane David ufite.
Tell me everything, that's fine.
Mbwira buri kimwe niba cyose kimeze neza.
Just don't lie to me.
Ni ukuri wimbeshya mbwira mfite amatsiko. Kugenda mu ndege VIP first class, indege ya VIP. Bakagenda muri hoteli nk'iyi bakaba muri hoteli henze gutya. Mbwira ngo kura muri banki. Ngabo.
Good.
Byiza. Kobwa DC kakundaga ka cya David. Yeah. Kwindukira David. Iki se? Ngabo. Yeah. Ngabo.
You know, you could have just asked me out on a date. You know, this has always been number one on my list.
Ndabizwa hano ubwa mbere bwanjye mpaje.
You must be pretty good at this.
Nkunda hano hantu pe.
Good or what?
Ibi n'ikindi? Iki Ngabo. Kumbi. Dore ka gasore kakomeje gukurikirana David.
No idea.
Nta gitekerezo ufite.
Wait.
buretse gato
Sorry. No, it's impossible.
mumbabarire ntabwo hano bishoboka harafunze naguye
Yeah.
ko harafunze nawe winjiramo
How's it closed?
twafunze hose
Inside there.
ku buryo umuntu atajyamo imbere ngo arebe gatoya
No.
oya ntabwo bishoboka
Coliseum. How's
Yeah.
it closed?
It's impossible.
ni gute se umuntu yahegera basi ntibishoboka
See it from outside. It's good enough.
ya nta kibazo David na gake ndebye karahagije
Come on. Sorry.
yihangane nyine niko ameze ntabwo apfa kwakira ibintu vuba tumenye ka gasore hano hari gari kumaka yewe Mary iki
About a private tour.
hano mbonye akayira k'ibanga
Closed. We can't break into the Coliseum.
umenya aha hantu se
You said it's closed.
oya hose hari hafunze ariko ahangaha ntabwo bahafunze neza
Or not?
niyo mpamvu mafunguye nkinjira njye nawe twinjire rero nta wundi utureba
Come on.
bino
Someone should not be doing this.
ariko aya ni amakosa David makosa ki komeza twigendere komeza imbere dore arena rwambariro we aho ba gladiator bamaraniraga
I want you to see this.
abaromani bari hatari ibyo nibyo bashaka kureba reba aha hantu yego shaka kureba abantu bagundaguraniraga nta bafana babaga bicaye n'abanyacyubahiro babaga bari yego ngabo David na Mary harashize igihe kinini
Down here is where they used to keep the gladiators. Am I right?
gladiators niho babikwaga nitwo duseri twabo babaga bafungiyemo bakavamo hano baje kurwana
Even when it's open.
Nothing's off limits.
okay ngaho rero
What?
gukomeza rero izo nshuti zawe ukunda nanjye reka ngo iki arabura uramushwe na teleporting ahinguka hano yewe Mary do hano harafunguye
Is that door just open too?
ese nawe ngaho usanze hafunguye
I don't want to see this.
nta n'umuntu urabona ibi ngibi nyizera ngabo
Bet you that's worth something.
mbega byose ni byiza aho harafunze biranga
I think he's telling you do not enter.
ndakeka hari byihorere
You speak Italian?
vuga icyo kirimi
No.
oya
Well, l'ingresso
dengesun
means come on.
bisobanura ngo umva
Bullshit.
ngaho sunika
That means that you should stay here while I go
bishatse kuvuga
around.
ngo wowe usigara ahangaha ngenze nzenguruke ndebe
It's alright, you'll catch up.
sawa rero ndaje ngabo koga kishimye musore gwe bana simbuka ukuntu ari harihari akabura gladiators aho babaga bari bose mwari intwari mwari abagabo
Showing will be at 6 o'clock. Don't forget to tip your usher.
komeza imbere hari basanze hano
Whoa, little privacy, yeah.
yewe hano ni ibanga ndimo ndakora iby'abantu by'ibanga
Fashion show, I'm taking a piss, do you mind?
sora mutamo
Cheers.
Wouldn't open that door if I were you. Not if I wanted my girlfriend to keep
urabizi ko ntabwo najya kure cyane yawe ukeka ko girlfriend wawe azagira umutekano ukomeza gukora ibyo ukora
Nice little tea party.
nakubonye
What happened?
You so much as look at her
What
wrong,
were you
right?
gonna
wakomeje kunkurikirana umva tuza ntabwo nakurikiranye arabura
Did you think you were the only one?
ukeka ko ari wowe wa mbere wenyine uriho nunda nawe urimwegera
You do.
nanjye nabikora
The life you live, you think you can just
ubuzima ubayemo kugenda uturapotinga uba uruhinguka ahantu burabura usimbasimbuka ukeka ko
jump all over the place, jump.
uri ahantu hose usimbagurika
And nothing's gonna happen?
uzi biba ikikurikira ibyo
Noticed?
uri kuri lisite nawe
Not me.
ntabwo ari njye
I mean, I already knew, not me. It's not talking about me, them.
bariya nibo bagushaka ni bariya bagushaka ntabwo ari ugushaka hari abaje
Hello, boys.
yewe bite basore arabura yagiye
Just me then.
okay sawa dukine vanayo za nkoni zabo nazo ni magnetic electric gasarabura David saragende barakurura hasi umusore arabimenyereye warabura kobwa rero atangira kumva ibintu
Welcome to the war.
Okay, urakaza neza mu ntambara. Basore, uyu warabura. Nabura.
Let me know if you guys are getting tired.
Uraza kurambirwa. Kunanirwa no kuza kunkurikirana.
Boss.
Wari uri hafi. David. Daji kapu kugishyira hasi. Baramurasa. David. Kijya mbere imbere. Hafunze yijeyo.
Let's meet the girlfriend, shall we?
Yabura na girlfriend wawe sha. Yewe. Kagabo karicwe arica na mikino.
Who are these people?
Abantu ni bande?
Paladins kill jumpers.
Parenthesis jumpers. Aba nabahiga abasimbutse nkatwe. Bango twice batugire nabi. Yewe ndababonye. Mwishe umuntu. Kaje kubwira polisi. Mbonye abantu bica umuntu, Karabaye wasekamo. Fata umuramba muku awukuraho. Yarakurikira aho ndasimbukiye. Nawe musangayo.
I just came through your jump scar.
Umva nje aho usimbukiye ngwiki?
Huh?
Koze biki?
If I were you, I'd jump right back.
Ni gute usimbukiye nyuma yanjye aho nari nsimbukiye?
You're not supposed to be here. Get
Ntabwo
out.
ukwiye kuburanga havanga ugende.
So if you'd like to kindly fuck off.
Vanga ugende.
As in now. Maybe your girlfriend's still alive.
Wasanga girlfriend wawe nawe atakiri muzima. Nugira imana usanga kimuzima avayo. Yewe. Niki kubayeho?
Nothing.
Ntacyo.
Let's go. Come
Reka twigendere ngwino
on.
tugende.
We should just get out of here.
Katuva.
That didn't sound like nothing.
You were right.
Ntacyo ndi kumbwira ariko uravugisha kuri
Everything's fine.
buri kimwe cyose kimeze neza.
Come on.
Ngwino tugende.
Museum.
David, you talk to me?
Must be a cab runner.
David polisi?
Wait, why aren't you talking to me? Will you please just talk to me?
Look,
Bwira polisi uravugisha kuri ko ntacyo uri kumbwira.
back at the hotel, okay?
Ntacyo usubire kuri hotel nonanga. David mbwira.
It's all fine, okay? It's just,
No,
you
it's
know.
not all fine.
Byose ntabwo meze neza. David, do polisi kuduhamagara.
Da dove venite?
Bavuga iki wabo?
No confirmed that.
Eravate nel Colosseo.
No, I think you guys made a mistake.
Wari wenda banyibeshyeho.
For that guy over there, yeah?
Hari undi musore uri nakubonye ni wowe mwishe umuntu.
Sorry, I know I wasn't supposed to.
Nakubonye ntabwo ari njyewe. Makaroma tuza.
Okay. Mary, just go back to the hotel. Okay?
Mary subira kuri hotel nonanga sibyo?
No, we're not together.
I'm with him.
Ntabwo turi kumwe ndi kumwe na Mary Mary ati ndi kumwe na ndutere reka nakuvuga turi kumwe arabiyahakana kugira ngo batamujyana. Hashize ingahe?
Told you. I want to see Millie.
Nababwiye ndashaka kubona Mary.
The body. I didn't do anything, okay?
Ihangane copyright ni ugukora ntako kaje.
I told you.
Nababwiye.
I want to see Millie.
Where is the body?
I didn't.
Ndashaka kubona Mary. Umurambo uri hehe?
Okay,
Ntacyo nakoze.
I don't know how many times you want me to tell you the same thing.
Ntabwo nzi icyo ndibabwira ikintu kimwe. Dore Mary. Kuri polisi.
Do you know how much longer he's gonna be back there?
Uzi iminota n'abamaze aha ngaha nkurindiriye.
Yeah, I know we've been waiting for
Ndabizi ko ushaka kumuza gutegereza cyangwa ntegereza umwavoka wanjye.
Senti, calmati.
Avuga iki wabo? Karimati yesh aba nabo naba.
Now you sit or we sit you.
Genda wicare cyangwa se nze nkwicaze. Sawa reka nicare.
She's got nothing to do with this.
Ferro?
Umukobwa ntahure n'ibi. Magisto.
Va bene.
Ndaje.
Allora, the magistrate is here.
Ihangane magistrate ari hano.
Passport.
Dore passport.
You won't need it where you're going.
Ntawe ugomba kugira aho ujya. Ugomba kugira aho ujya batazi umusore ni jumper. Magistrate ninde rero. Waje. David.
You've only got about 30 seconds.
Kagamo. Ufite amasegonda 3 yonyine kubuvuye aha ngaha.
You have to get out of here.
Nona va hano ahita amufungura.
Girl, she's with you, she's dead.
Mom!
Uriya mukobwa kugumana nawe ni umupfu.
20 seconds, David.
Uriya mukobwa kugumana nawe uri umupfu David. Mama! Yabonye mama we. Zayirukanga. Mama! Bashobora waje kumuhagarika atamujyana. Turamusize. Afande mukuru duro bamunaze. Muri Djibouti. Kukuvana muri Amerika bataguta muri Djibouti mu Butaliyani kuvugana muri Italy guta muri Djibouti. Kangamo. Ndagaruka. Uretse gato. Yeah.
Free to walk.
n'utuntu duke cyane twari
Just let me go.
twagiye barandetse ngo tugende.
Just like that.
Ngwino tugende gutyo gusa, iyi gutyo.
They just let you go.
Ubwishe kuri tugiye mu rugo.
It's really strongly suggested that we leave town now.
Tugomba guhita twigendera none ahangaha. Uretse gato.
Questions?
For 8 hours?
They had a lot of questions.
Hari ibibazo byinshi cyane wambaza ariko
I want to trust you. You're making it extremely
All right, so
difficult.
trust me. Let's go.
Nisera tugende. None se ko twiruka kandi umbwiye ko bakurekuye. Uretse abashoferi.
You take us.
Wadutwara cyane niko kazi.
In the cab.
Ye injira mu modoka tugende. None se ko gararebye. Ndakwinginze Mary. Tayari ku kibuga cy'indege. Gutegera umukobwa marabwa ati kugumana n'uwo mukobwa ni ibibazo uri umupfu. Mukobwa ntangiye kumukeka keka. Kisaka.
Cheers.
Remember how I told you you didn't need to tell me everything?
Uribuka ibyo nakubwiye ko uzambwira buri kimwe cyose.
My mind.
Nahinduye intekerezo. Bari kumwe.
The backpack.
Shaka gusubira. Ni kimwe ufite muri icyo gikapu. Mbwira. Icyo gikapu kirimo ibiki? Ndakumenya ibirimo aha. Dore ibirimo aha. Mafaranga menshi kubi.
Where did you get that?
Ayo mafaranga yakuye he?
I don't want to lie to you.
Nta n'umwe nshaka kubeshya.
You don't want to tell me the truth either.
Ntabwo nshaka kubeshya ariko nta n'umwe ushaka kumbwiza ukuri.
I can't get on this flight with you, Millie.
Mary ntabwo ndi bujyane nawe mu ndege sibyo? Ugiye kugenda wenyine. Twabwo arabyumva. Katishiza amatike bayishyuye ni VIP. Twabwo agomba kugenda mpaka mu rugo. Gusubira mu rugo. New York. Gusubira muri Amerika. Ntabwo ari New York. Aba ni gusa ari muri Amerika. Amerika ni nini. Aba mu yindeta. So yararebye ntafite ahera asobanura abwira umukobwa akatira potinga. Fata igikapu cy'umukobwa arakimusunikira.
Roland.
Roland.
Sir.
Yego nyakuba. Twamubuze.
How many did you send?
Nabwe wohereje babiri.
Everybody.
Nabwe ngo wohereze buri umwe wese. Nyakuba babiri numvaga bahagije ariko
It's like you knew we were coming. We're searching the grid now.
Keep me informed. I'm taking a different tack.
mpereza inform amakuru. Ndakeka nongeye kwataka bitandukanye nuko twatatse. Baraho yatatse. Papa w'umusore. Yeah.
William Rice?
William Rice? Yego ninjye.
IRS. Could we
Twe turi
go inside and talk?
aramwiyereka.
I don't have to ask. That's a courtesy.
Ndakeka ko ntago impamvu ikurirwa nkubaza ahubwo naza nkirebera.
Your son, David.
Muhungu wawe David.
Why, is he in some kind of trouble or something?
None kubera iki mwamuze mumbaza ni ikibazo yabateje se?
We'll go a lot swifter if you let me ask the questions.
Ni ibibazo bikeya nkubaza wanyitsubiza neza nkigendera.
You saw your son.
Ibyari uko kubona umuhungu wawe.
8 years ago.
Imyaka 8 ishize.
8.
Imyaka 8 yose.
That's right.
Niko kuri.
What about friends?
Kujyanye n'inshuti ze.
Anybody I can talk to?
Hari igikuvugisha?
Our friends.
Ntacu utagira.
I'd like to talk to David's mother if I could.
Yeah, I mean,
Ndashaka kuvugana na mama wa David.
if you find her, tell her I said hello.
Wagiye mu cyumba cye sukarira niba hari ikindi wabona.
Mary Rice. At least that was her name back then.
Amubwira izina ry'umugore.
Next time you saw her.
Ni ryari uko kumubona uyu mugore?
Split when the kid turned 5.
Ashize yamutaye umwana afite imyaka 5.
A word since.
Tubashize imyaka 20. N'umwanda ntibyumvikana.
If I hear anything, I'll be sure to give you a holler.
Hari gize ikindi numva nakumenya ko naza kukubwira. Gendere.
No.
Ntabwo uri bumbwire oya kubera iki ntakubwira. tukaba dore isura dore isura
You can do on this.
eh
There's like they've added this new control and like you just.
arimo arakina remote idakontorora neza abanza ariyo mpamvu remote ifite ikibazo
Whoa.
umurambo uri hariya kiraho hari uwagarutse
Still alive, eh?
uracyari muzima numvaga waciyeho
There's more of them. Hundreds more. I'm tracking 10 right now.
hari menshi nk'aba ngaba amajana ibihumbi n'ibihumbagiza amajana n'amajana
What about the rest? What about the rest?
amerekezo yahe abasigaye se
I told you the pilots.
nakubwiye ngo nabakiri kuri ba parents n'abashinzwe kuduhiga ngo batwice
Tell me what they want.
mbwira ibyo bashaka
That's pretty simple, isn't it? One is dead.
biroroshye yapfuye nguyu n'abandi ni ukubaza nyine ni uguhitanana
Thanks.
komeza kuganiramo
Why?
Because we can do
What the hell we want?
kubera ko badashaka uri we
Right.
nibyo
Thanks. You really don't get it, do you?
ese mu by'ukuri ko nta kibazo ufite
Jumpers for years. We're back since medieval times.
imyaka yose umaze usimbuka ugenda ukeka ko bo bariya nibo bakeka ko bari gufata nk'aho uri divo isibi
Cons, that was them.
kubagira ko cyangwa niba utanamo gukora ibibi igihe kizagira ukabikora niyo mpamvu baguhitana
Organized. No matter what, they'll kill anyone that gets in their way.
bafite ikipe nini yishyize hamwe cyangwa ko byagenda kose bagomba kuguhiga mpaka bakwishe
That little girlfriend you're traipsing around Rome with you.
girlfriend wawe nawe nimba kandi bamubonanye nawe bivuga ngo bari mu byago nawe arapfuye
All of them.
mwe bose n'abaziranye nawe
Just do it. It's just a matter of time.
niko bigomba kugenda
I'm gonna get some takeaway. Do you want some?
ese njye ndi mubi ku buryo ntafata umukobwa mwiza ngo dutemberane twishimane turye isi ya garuka ngaha kereka ruri mu ndege ni Mary hari uwatera potinza itagera mu rugo kwa Mary kwa Mary ni wabaje sinzi kugera hano iwabo mu rugo kugera iwabo mu rugo papa we tayari papa w'ikigabo ziko ikigabo cyamuhitanye mukarage nta mikino yamuhitanye gira umuntu utabara ahita aterapotinga kwa muganga nonaha we aracyahumeka hari sinzi kwa muganga yaje n'umujinya atarimbura aterapotinga nabyo kwingingiriza cyangane reba tayari abamuzi rero batangiye kubigwamo yeah tangira guterapotinga agenda ngo wabonye wese agiye yamenye ko Mary nawe ari mu byago byamenye ko Mary ari gukurikira
What did you tell him?
niki wamubwiye
Know about Ann Arbor.
nabwira
Stay the hell away from me.
jya kure yanjye niki wavuze yaje kwa
White hair.
yaje kurakana gufunze
Just answer the question,
subiza ibibazo ngubaza
or I'll drop you off the top of Mount Everest, okay? What? What did you tell him?
nda cyangwa ujyane ngujugunya ahantu nta muntu uzongera kukubona
What? Tell me.
niki nababwiye buri kimwe
I know you told him about home, all right? I know you told him about Ann Arbor. Did you tell him about Millie?
ndabizi ko babwiye buri kimwe cyose wabwiye bya papa wanjye bya Mary nababwiye byose nyine ujinya
Why did you do that?
kuki wabikoze muri cyisari
Who are you?
urinde ubundi sabura kinyuraho toka kuri akananga
Where'd the paladin go? Swimming.
vese mvuye koga
Pacific? No, actually.
inyanja muri Pacifique se oya muri Atlantique
Cuba.
zose ni inyanja Pacifique na Atlantique zose ni inyanja
What are you doing? Put that stuff back.
bizansi ibyo bintu
Few things. Just stay away.
ukigiye gukora nakubwiye ngo dusubize hasi akajya guserera
Out.
nta kintu wemerewe kujya gukora
I need to find Roland. No, you don't.
nkeneye gushakisha
Don't.
ntabwo wemerewe
I only got 8 hours. All right, there's a girl. The flight lands in 8 hours. That stuff's gonna help you. That stuff's
indege yamanutse mu masaha 8 yashize
jump me back to high school so you can learn something. I've been tracking you for 10 years. Look at this. Look. You see this?
urabona ibi
Our first round in Nepal. You should
Gambere.
get me back in Prague.
ni ibyambayeho
Forget it. Forget
yibagirwa rero ibyo ushaka gukora yibagirwa buri umwe umenya ko ugomba kubaho nkawe
to me.
Do you mind? Look, little privacy here. You know, this is
hano
kind
hari ibyanjye sibyo nawe ujya wita ku byawe ibyanjye ntukabyitaho hari icyo byaba bigutwaye utitaye ku byanjye ntugacunga ibintu byanjye.
I was thinking that if we do this together.
Ndimo ndashakisha niba wamfasha tukabikorana tugatabara.
You and me. Yeah, like we team up.
Yego turi ikipe.
Look, I'm sorry, but I don't play well with others.
Ubaba rero njye ntabwo njya nkora n'abandi bantu nkora njye nyine. Nkora akazi kanjye ubwanjye biramucanga. Erekera kananga.
Do me a favor, yeah?
Yenda wamfasha?
I get back, find a rock, crawl under it, stay there.
Wegere yongeye nikore utuntu twanjye. Rambo. Bikira hano.
Joy Woo, brother. It's goodbye in Chinese.
Adutembere tujye mu bucayi muri Shinwa sibyo tujye gushaka ibyinshi mu Bushinwa. Birambo. Jombi icyuma ngana bishaka aza hamusanga. Kukireberaho gusa aho kimwereka inzira. Koraho gusa. Bayerekera vayo. Taje mu Bushinwa.
Yeah, no, I've been meaning to call, really. I still really want to get the tattoo.
Temari cyawo wamusense we. Kiranahiruka hano. Karanga ari agenda kiba kare yagurya iki yamukurikiye.
You can't keep following me.
Sekwamye kumurikirana.
I'm the one person who can. Yeah, lucky me.
Umunyamahirwe sha uri kumwe nanjye. Gasore mu gihe ko karabimenyereye.
Yeah, I know Tokyo pretty well. I got a lot of jump sites.
Yeah, Tokyo ndayizi kuko ni jump site muramatembera hose.
Makes me feel normal. You every Marvel team up? Yeah, I read it.
Seko mu byukuri turi ikipe.
Two superheroes joining forces for like
Umva tukabangaza superheroes cyangwa se ngukumva tugahuza imbaraga.
I'm not buying it.
Ikibazo cyaba cy'abantu barahinduka nta muntu njya nizera muri byanjye ukwanjye.
We live in a cave. It's called a lair. And what's the point? Just saying, you know, we kind of have this common thing.
Wenda ntabwo nakubwira ngo wenda nzi bizaza ariko ibyaza ko dushyize hamwe twabirwanya. Kare karamukasa reka nabyo gukorana akizirikaho. David
For what?
karabura iyo se yigumira hanze ubona akagenda ajugunya kure bizi imodoka yatsi imodoka mapine ewe tora siga jumping kana n'ibintu bateleportingana n'ibintu we ni hatari.
Sorry, clutch stuck.
Real subtle. Bashingi.
Yeah, I'm not gonna get rid of you, am I?
Yeah, nuko nawe yicara. Aho.
Might want to hold on, son.
Rero ikibazo amaso yanjye arafunguye. Njya kungaragura. Sora terapotingana n'imodoka mu twedera umuhanda ukuna agenda. Sora umutwaza sora imodoka mu birere. Kubutaka ground kuri road. Sora araterapotinga n'imodoka atwaye kandi. Bari hafi kugonga. Rose.
This thing must be 2 tons easy.
Uterapotinga inshuro zirenga ebyiri kubona biroroshye niyo byaba 10 nabikora tabani.
Crazy bastard.
Try ubusazi ku rundi ruhande ariko biranarenze.
That again.
Nabikora ngira ngabikora.
He's dead. Killed him.
Abagerageje rero gushaka kumitana benshi nge narabishe bose. David aramwumva akanaga we nta mikino nambabaza aranica.
How long you been doing this for?
Bari kingana iki ubikora?
No, jump.
Muri biki gusimbuka.
Since I was 5.
Singa imyaka 5 harira.
How'd you keep it a secret from people?
Iri banga ugumye kuri bika abantu se? Kurisha abantu.
Pretty easy when they're not around.
Biroroha cyane iyo uri wenyine ntawe ukugambanira. Hari wenda. Ifite ibanga ryawe uri wenyine nawe.
I was 5.
Njye natangiye kumenya ko ntasanzwe ubwo nari imyaka 5 ubwo buri nabaye ibintu nk'ibi bimbaho. Nyuma myaka nka 10 n'ingahe birongera.
I mean, are we on Oprah here or?
Uyu wabimenye hashize imyaka 5 ari superhero undi imyaka 5 nibwo byamubayeho. Ngo David we niwe mwansiye. Zarataramenya kubizikontorora neza. Ariko n'ejo twongera afite imyaka 10 n'ingahe ari muri school.
Her flight lands any second. I need an answer.
Ikibazo ngiye mbaza mbanye igisubizo byihuse.
All right. Marvel team up now or never.
Dukoze ikipe nago twazasona azaguhemukira sibyo?
Very limited. Save her, kill him, you know? We're done. All right, Spike.
Cyo nshaka nuko umukobwa yaba atekanye nta kindi. Kanangarabura. Yo yes. Kera terapoti inzara kurikira gongo umuntu. Bakindege.
Hey. The flight from Rome landed an hour ago.
Yewe indege yagiye mu Bwongereza yashize akanya kanini yagiye. Bivuga ngo umukobwa yavuye mu Bwongereza yagiye mu Bwongereza yagiye.
All right, well, we gotta find her, you know? I'm gonna meet me back at the lab.
Mbayitone manzemye ugaruka tugomba kugira ikintu kana kaburi munabura. Peti karabibona. Kana no. Urareba iki wakana? Bu, ndawarabura imbere y'amaso y'umwana. Yashana kuri kakabari.
I'm Millie's friend, David.
Ndi inshuti ya Millie banyita David.
Last I checked, she was with you. Hey.
Babaza yewe. Inshuti yawe yaseze hano yagiye.
Black eye, white hair.
Shaka ko kunywa? Wapi? Acha. Yamenye ko Millie yaseze mu kazi yagiye. Yaje gushaka Millie. Bayi bamunize baramuhogora mugagaza. Ratira putinga. Kira gutya. Millie yahamagaraga. Mana yanjye.
David, what?
David.
What the hell are you doing here?
Uramari cyanga?
I buzzed, but you didn't pick up.
Nagwamagaye ngo gufata telefone. Hari ikibazo se rideri ngurimo?
I need to make sure that you were okay.
Ndashaka kumenya niba umeze neza.
Not okay.
Meze neza rero.
It's in an airport in Rome.
Wase ku kigo cy'indege ngiye nyine.
I'm sorry.
Mbabarire.
You're sorry.
Mbabarire.
Thank you.
Urakoze.
I think you should leave.
Ngaho none ogenda ndakubabariye. Bakira hari imodoka nini yazaga. Jipe we. Arayumva. Subira inyuma.
David. I need to leave.
Ugomba kugenda ugomba kuva hano.
What? What are you doing?
Abandi muhagere kuri airport kugihe.
I told you to leave.
Nakubwiye ngo genda. Uzi se?
What?
Amiki ndiki.
Thinking, okay?
Okay, ntabwo nkora muri bank.
Oh, really?
Koko se?
I mean, the money did come.
Amafaranga nyine ndayabona gusa.
You know.
Uburyo aza urabizi.
Few banks.
Ni bank nkeya gusa.
Are you telling me you're a bank robber?
None shaka kumva kuri umujura wa bank. Ako na gace gato. Baraje bazanye n'ikimashini gikomeye.
My house?
David, none se winjiye mu nzu yanjye uciye? Gutya. Yabimwereka. Terapota. Ndabura. Ndaheguka handi mwisegonda. Yego. Jya kwiruka agonga umuntu.
I'm sorry.
Mbabarire. Goba.
I'm really sorry.
Just go.
Genda.
Leave me alone.
Ndeka ngiye nyine. Arabaje bazanye n'ikimashini kinini. Kumva biragenda neza sibyo? Ariko araterapotinga raho yamuzanye. Beze neza sibyo? Ko ngarazengera. Yizera.
I'm not gonna hurt you.
Ntabwo ndi bukubabaze.
Hear me.
Baho.
Come near me.
vaho abandi baje kugera hano hatira potingi yaburiye abagiye kure ndagusobanurira kimwe bofi asafite imiti atera tera imiti baciye hano we
Just stay where you are, right? Stay.
mahuri sibyo gumahuri David mufungure vuba vuba we scroving dore imashini bafite imashini nayo igenda tumuntu agiye yagenda yatirapotinga barayatsa dore imirabyo dore imbaraga dore urumuri ivanga iyi mashini nayo yabafasha kugenda mu bihe dore imbaraga z'imashini
Griffin, there's something I gotta tell you.
hari ibyo nshaka kukubwira
So did you find her?
wamubonye umukobwa se
Gonna piss you off a little bit. Piss me off.
namubonye ari none David turi kureba ukoze ibiki
David?
David
What are you doing here?
kujya namara iki hano
What kind of clubhouse, you know?
bamusenze baradukurikira babakurikirana urabizi
That's what I was trying to tell you, okay? Maybe the bottom, I don't know. It's up to you.
ibikureba
Listen to me, alright? That's what I was trying to tell you, okay?
ibikureba wese kundi nabikubwira
They
gusa
can follow you. They have a machine.
bafite imashini baragukurikira
Walls and keep them open. What are you talking about?
muri
I'm
uravuga
saying
ibiki
they can follow us anyway.
bagukurikira aho wajya hose bafite imashini arabura kureba birabyira kwita bivuga ngo baraje birabyira yigerayo imashini iri hatari dore ikirengo kirahinduka
There's two of you?
yewe uriya se
What is going on?
David n'icyo ujya mbere hano
Millie,
Mary
stay right here.
kukumya aho ngaho ndaje acaho
What have you done?
uzi ibiki
Then where does this thing go? We
ibi
got...
ibiki
David, what did you do?
uzi ibiki bakira aho bacaho akamufiyasi arinjira n'abagenzi be aho bisanze bivuga ngo ushobora kugendera muri jumper fragments asize ukazigenderamo nibyo bakora waves asize nizo baziyemo bakoresheje imashini yabo katurore David ari hano Joseph ari hano kobwa ari hanze komeza kureba ahantu ndi ni ntazi n'ahari Rwanda shye ni ahantu bibera abapfuye abagenda bapfa bagenda bapfa abo umusore agenda yica babahiga amafoto y'abandi baturapo mama abo nabo mama we nawe ndagira gufata ifoto baramuyora aramufasha Fokiasi urasi imigozi abari amashanyarazi gusa sigaza imiriro
Thanks for leading me to your friend.
reka ko wakoze ko cyari kutuzana ku nshuti yawe
Why are you doing this to me?
kiri kunkorera ibi
I never hurt you.
ntabwo nigeze kubabaza
Not hurt anybody.
nta n'uwo nigeze mbabaza
Not yet.
nuko igihe kitaragera uzabikora
Sooner or later, you all go bad.
vuba cyangwa bitinde nawe urabusanze abandi barayirwuma abicisha
You're not different.
ntabwo utandukanye genda atandukanye turapfuye we umuriro wika dore kabako barakarasa gipfunsi ya David afite akuma asigaye agenda ashaka kwikata iranga
Time to send you home to mommy.
ni igihe cyo kohereza kwa nyokosha dore kavayo mujinya urugo iwanyu kwa nyoko dore umuvuduko n'igipfunsi yakubiswe igipfunsi rero bamutaye bakiri cyabaye fata moto hano urutoki ya aca arabura David Mary bamuzirikiye sore yarashanga harazenguruka ture muri Tokyo Japani abona urukamyo rubizi Tabakiraho. Yazanye urubisi. Sore yari jump urenze. Zana bisi. Yeah. David. Mary.
Billy, get out of here.
Mary vano ugende.
Run, okay?
Irukange sibyo?
Billy, run!
Mary iruke. Mary iruke. Kiko kivayo. Arwaje. Napfuye. Biriro. Twika n'inzira. Uru basanga ugiye ngo basubizeho hanze. Bakurikirana nayo naho bagiye. Gasore karaza barakataka. Yeah. Nambara.
I'm only getting you down so you can get me out of here.
Ningumana urahita umvana aha ngaho nsubize mu rugo. Yeah. Ndagusabye mvana aha. Kamutera n'igipfunsi.
Can you take me now, please?
Ngo mvana hano sibyo?
Okay,
Sawa.
I'll take you.
Ndakujyana iwanyu. Ngajya ushaka.
Alone.
Gusa ndakureka wenyine. Ngajya ushaka. Come on David.
It was always you, though.
Gusa kuva na kera niwe wenyine nakundaga. Biza aka kanya.
Ever since we were 5.
Kuva mfite imyaka 5.
It was always you.
Buri gihe yahoze ari we nakundaga.
Please just take me.
Ndakwinginze njyana mu rugo.
Take a deep breath.
Banze fata kuko kawuhumeke. Take deep breath. Akiraho. Aruwi waje azana n'urumashini. Joseph.
I got him!
Ndayifite.
I trapped him there!
Imashini ituma batrapotinga badukurikirana.
Let's screw!
Ndayizanye. Tera umukobwa! Tera umugozi! Fata umukobwa! Mucisha! Baramujyana. Oya! Mary bamucishijeho. Yega.
Crap,
Urumva n'umwanda.
expect that?
Ntabwo nari mbyiteze.
I didn't know.
Ntabwo nari nzi.
Now they have to come to us.
Byanga bikundu bagiye kuza kudushaka.
Let's get these fires out.
Tegura buri kimwe cyose imiro n'ibiki byose. Yeah. Tegura imiriro ahantu hose.
What's that?
Cyo niki?
What?
Iki?
What are you doing? Nothing, I was,
Ntacyo ndi gukora.
going bowling.
Ndashaka kugira ngo imashini yabo nyirimbure.
Roland's in there with his whole army. We're gonna go back there and
Bashobora
end this.
kunkurikirana byanga kora nyina ibibazo.
Timbuktu?
Nuyirimbura se.
Well, yeah, there is that as well, but...
Biraba birangiye.
I gotta go get her.
Ngomba kuzana umukobwa.
If it's my fault that she's there,
Byose na makosa yanjye ntabwo umukobwa yakaba ari muri bibiri ngomba mufate kuba mujyane.
we gotta get her out of there.
Tugomba kuvanga tukajya kumuzana.
To get her out of there. I can hear you.
Ndekukumva.
Yeah, I
Urumva?
understand what you're saying. I can
Ubona ibyo uvuga.
All right, well,
Mfite amatwi, mfite amaso.
really is. But you know what? We all have to make sacrifices once in a while.
Ariko ugomba kumenya ko kugira ngo agire icyo ugera ibitambo bigomba gutambwa.
Is it detonator?
Remote arayibona.
Are you making any? You know what? I made mine.
Ese ibyo uri gukora ndi kubikora kugira ngo bidugire imaro twese. Ntabwo ari kubikora ku bwanjye gusa.
Came to my house and killed my parents.
Fata ya mashini. Ahita mu gifirigo avaho. Mu gifirigo avaho. Araburana nayo. David asekamo. David urashaka imiserero. Ushaka imiserero. Karamwomeka. Usanga hano. Gabo. Aturore. Dore ngiriya hasi ho yitaye. Bayigwa bombi.
Look, before this gets out of hand, let's just talk about this.
Reka tubanze tuvuge. Baratangira. Ngaho bo. Yeah. Uri Djibouti. Iserero.
Am I getting the message through here? I can't let you do this.
Ntabwo natuma ndashaka kwaho ubutumwa ngo basigira message basigira bibagirwa. Ntabwo natuma ubikora. No kwica abantu. Telekomande. Ni uyifite David arayimwambura. Ngabo.
David!
David, bereza remote. Telecommande, bereza telecommande.
Griffin!
Subiza telecommande. Muhanda. Baragundagurana nawe nundavayo.
Don't.
Tabikora. Arayijugunya.
Bad news!
Wa musenzo makuru mabi. Arayomeka. Ina barakurikira vayo. Ndayifata. Namuyora. Dumbura mu mazi. Nabo bayo bahanu bibi ba jump intambara zaba jumpa ziba zirenze barabura bakagwa handi. Traitera samure banayimo soya yaza y'imodoka samuyora no baguye. Ayiwe mu masasi mu ntambara hari aho bagwe no hari intambara. She mu ntambara bibutsa ko ifilime yakozwe muri 2008 icyo gihe yasohorewe 2008 bwo yagiye hanze. Aka David gasore gafite remote dore ko just mufite ngo David.
Well then, brother.
Ndabari muvandimwe.
Limited runs down.
Ngomba gukora ibyo ngomba gukora nkabarangiza bari abasenzi. Bana mashanyarazi David. Amuyora. Siga mu mashanyarazi. Mu ifoto imanuka gutya bishwanyugurika. Mu mashanyarazi hari mashanyarazi shaho kujya kuzave mu mashanyarazi imbaraga ziba ziri gukora. Zikunda zigenda. Musiga mawo.
The old electricity trick. That's a nice move.
Bari aho ngo panzereza uranyemeje.
Down and
Gomanura rero.
yeah.
Telefotinga biranga. Urazi ko hano bitoroshye gikuyikura. Ihangane.
There's 5 of them back there. You go back there alone, you're dead.
Uragenda wenyine barakwica David.
You can't win.
Ntago wabatsinda.
Down, David.
David utamfite ntago watsinda.
You're dead.
Uragenda wenyine uri umupfu. David barakwica. Bisanze Chechenia mu masasu mu ntambara. Yakindi cyabaye David. Telecommande ayitaho ngaho. Arabura. Bari bamugonze. Ziko umukobwa. Family yawe cyabona Mary. Muri kureba David avayo. Ndetse bamutera bashanyarazi nakaboko. Ramufata wese. Yaka. Asitira koresha imbaraga nyinshi ku mashanyarazi David doragashya. David kubw'imbaraga ze zidasanzwe yakomeza kwibura n'amashanyarazi amwuzuyeho. David ntabwo wasimbuka. Nubwo nasimbuka nasenya katorori David harose ngaratangira kuharimbura. Afite imbaraga David zirenze yaranti yarasanzwe. David yaratandukanye koko. David izi imbaraga ntabwo ari iz'umuntu nkawe. Ntabwo ari wowe David. David.
I'm so sorry about what I said.
Babarira. Ya mbere. Uje kumusaba imbabazi ku bya mbere. Ugabakurayo cya cyuma bicisha.
Take a deep breath.
Fata cyane mwereke. David. Koresha imbaraga ku ruvuduko. Imbaraga nyinshi. Umuhanda arahangiza. Koresha imbaraga inzu yose. Etage nzima. Genda yishyira. Ndayimbagura. David. Yararebye yikangamo. Imana ntaba. Aburana igice cy'inzu yose. Aburana igice kinini. Baka mu mazi. David. Kigabo. David nguwo. Kigabo. Abana bago bashizwe kubica. Kobwa. Ifungura. Nazariba David. Namuyambira. Kimufata ariho n'amashanyarazi. Ongera. Bagarura muri library bafunze. David afite imbaraga n'amashanyarazi kandi amuriho aratarapotinga ntasanzwe n'ibitsinga by'amashanyarazi kuri David.
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 David. Ndikukumva.
Shit, I'm sorry.
Babarire.
What's my dishwasher doing in the library?
Hasi none ni hehe turi? Ibitsinga by'amashanyarazi. Kuraho. David. Ya kigabo. Ndatunguye cyane. Kumano gato ndaje. Ndagaruka.
Long way from robbing banks.
Ntabwo bikura ko ibye banke. Ndacyura kiza nano. David.
I told you I'm different.
Nakubwiye ko ntandukanye n'abandi ngi.
Could have dropped you with the sharks.
Akazi keza no Rwanda no gusubira aho uvuye. Aha mutayi niba ari hehe arangije acaho. Waratandukanye ku mashanyarazi ntacyo bimubwiye. Akoresha imbaraga ze niyo amashanyarazi angana iki akirwanaho ni David. Umugabo kuzano ayiwe. Amusize herero. Hana musize rero. Yewega bihano biragwira dore yamusize. Kuzamuka hejuru ni ibibazo, kumanuka ni ibindi bibazo. David araha ibihano biragwira. Yabanza ariko kagenze ashize ngaye David. Uyu haraho yaje. Nambara zirangije. Haraho yaje. Bite.
Can I help you?
Nabafasha.
Is Mary here?
Mary ari hano.
Hey, Mom.
Mama. Mama afite undi mwana. Yabyaye undi mwana. Mushiki wa Dore mushiki wande wa David.
Honey, why don't you wait upstairs?
Hari buzamutse hejuru gato. Hari. Koga navuna akanyembaraga mu zindi filme kanye.
You shouldn't be here.
Ntago wakabaye hano. Yarebye mushiki we agenda.
So it's true.
Nukuri se? Ni mushiki wanje.
You're one of them?
Nawe uri umwe muri bo?
Yes, it's true.
Yego nukuri. Mubaduhiga.
You were 5 years old your first jump.
Ufite imyaka 5 y'amavuko nibwo bwa mbere wasimbutse utaripotinga. Nta bundi buryo nari mfite. Usibye kureka. Bakwica cyangwa se ngaguta. Ibyo gusa.
To protect you.
Wabikoreye iki kukurinda?
I was 5.
Nari mfite imyaka 5 mama.
I did what I had to do.
Nakoze ibyo nagombaga gukora.
I've never stopped thinking about you.
Ntago nigeze nguhagarika cyangwa ngurwanye cyangwa ungerere gute narakuretse. Kandi nta n'umunsi wahitaga ntagutekerejeho.
So I'm a jumper.
Ubundi jumper. Ndumwe nawe uri umwe muri bo. Gusa ngenda ndatangaje.
What now?
None ubu ni iki gikurikira?
I'm giving you a head start, son.
Mwana wanjye nagwaye yo gutangirira. Nagwaye itangiriro.
Love you.
Ndagukunda kandi. Nyama yaramo yambiriye. Twabonye ko mama afite undi mwana mushiki we. Nawe inkumi. Nta kindi cyabaye. Umusore agomba kwigendera mama afite urundi rugo afite ubundi buzima bwe. Kugira gutya kumva ro bari bazanye dore Mary nguriye hariya. Aracyari kumwe sheri we.
Hey.
Yewe.
You okay?
Meze neza?
Yeah.
Yeah, meze neza.
You sure?
Uravugisha ko meze neza?
Yeah,
meze neza.
Good.
byiza.
I'm freezing.
Ndimo ndakonje.
Go someplace warm.
Ndashaka kujya ahantu hashyushye.
Where do you want to go?
Urashaka ko tujya he?
Guys,